Should I renovate my house before I sell it? I've actually been asked this question a lot, and it's a really great question. But the answer may surprise you. It actually depends on what type of a market we're in. Hey there, I'm Dana Weiss with eXp Realty and the Brevard County Life. In today's seller's market, the answer is probably not. Because the seller's market means hyper competitiveness and many times there's multiple offers on a single home, buyers are often willing to just overlook those cosmetic or even minor repair needs if it means that they're able to snag a home that they wouldn't normally be able to in their price range. Take a look at this great graphic from Keeping Matters Current, which shows the percentage of cost recouped for common renovation projects. At the top is garage door replacement. Now, something simple like a new updated door is kind of like fresh paint on the inside of a house, right? It can really make a huge impact on the look of a home. So its recoupment and cost is nearly 100%. But below that, deck additions, they're only around 75% of the cost recouped. Then it drops to 65% for a roofing replacement, 63-ish bathroom remodel, and just below 60% for a kitchen remodel. So if you're thinking of doing any type of renovation project, just understand you may or may not recoup all the money you put into the project. And with so few houses available for sale today, you may be able to just skip those bigger renovations before you sell and cash in on the current demand for your house. Houses are flying off the market right now because there are so few available to buy. Some interesting statistics for September 2020 is that 71% of homes were on the market for less than a month, and the average home sold had over 3 offers. Now, if the market is flooded with houses for sale and not enough buyers for them, known as the buyer's market, then renovations might be necessary to make your house stand out. But that's a different market than we have currently right now today in October, November 2020. In addition, major repairs are definitely another story, such as foundation issues, leaking roof, the really big ones. You will need to work with your real estate agent to see if repairs do need to be done before, or be prepared to offer credit to your buyer who will have to make those repairs once they own the home. So if you're ready to move, let's connect to determine your best next step in this seller's market. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, make the wise choice.